Are you looking for a handheld sound meter that is reliable and accurate? This is from TopTes, and it is a decibel meter. It has a power button here. We can turn it on by holding it down. And then it even has different features. Like right now, it's reading the decibels from the sound that I'm making from talking and all the sounds in the room. But it even has the ability to have a max and minimum setting. So right now, the max is 80. But if I start talking louder, then the max went up to 89. So you can see how this works. I'm going to show you here in a second live with some dehumidifiers and some different appliances by putting this up next to the fans exactly how loud or how quiet those appliances are. So I'm going to be using this throughout my product overview videos and essentially using it to show you how loud or how quiet different devices are. So I'm going to find that super useful throughout my video content. And another thing you can do here is you can check the RH and the actual temperature as well in Celsius or in Fahrenheit. So that's really cool. It does have a microphone up here with a wind blocker. That's what you're going to actually point at the target that you're trying to measure the sound on. So you can set it to maximum. It'll show you the max decibel throughout the duration of using it. You can also choose minimum. It'll show you the minimum decibels throughout the duration. Very, very useful, handy, well made, and lightweight to carry around as well. Comes with a cap that you can put on top, and that's really it. So let's go use it in a scenario where, I'm going to put it up next to an appliance and actually measure what it sounds like. For example, maybe I want to measure the loudness of this dehumidifier. Here's what it sounds like when it's off, 65 decibels. And if I turn this on, you can see we're hovering around 90 to 100 decibels, somewhere in there. I can also click on max, and that will basically tell me the max decibel that we picked up from here. So 100.9 is the max that we're picking up at the moment. If we started getting louder for some reason, or if the unit started getting louder, then this would go up to match the maximum decibels. So that's how I'm going to be using it to basically look at and evaluate different products and everything. Right here, it even jumped up to 101.5. And so this is super helpful. It's from TopTes. It does come with a bag as well. So a little carrying bag. Let me grab it here. That's what it looks like. It's got really nice strings on the ends to tie it all together. You can store it in here. And of course, it does also come with the cap that you can click on as well. So I hope this was helpful for you. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.